I have to talk about AI, I'll say that AI is amazing. I love ChatGPT personally. It helps to save time and energy. It helps improve efficiency. It's a great assistant, helps save a lot of time. Having said that, my biggest concern with AI is that students are using these AI tools, whether ChatGPT or any other tools, they're using it to do their work instead of using it as something that is going to enhance their work. So I believe that that is not the best approach. So rather, I would that use ChatGPT, use AI tools, but use them as something that is like an enabler, something that is going to enhance your work, not something that is going to completely do your work. So if we don't want AI to replace us, we need to stop using AI to complete all our work for us.